In this video, we are going to see how we can calibrate the Google Maps easily within this application. So let's open the Google Maps first, and wherever you are, let's say I'm in Poland, I want to get a precise location of any particular area. What we can do is, if you're not getting that precise location, just click on the profile icon on the top right hand corner and click on the settings at the bottom. So first of all, let's say that you are getting the wrong directions, it is taking you to dangerous roads, or it is not calibrating the maps properly. So the ideal solution for that is just head over to Play Store and search for maps here, and you just click on this and click on uninstall. What this will do is, whenever any update is available, it will definitely show you on the left hand side, and it should update to the latest version and remove all the bugs for you. And even after that, if you feel that Google Maps are not calibrating properly, what you ultimately do is just turn on the airplane mode from here. Just turn it on, it will disconnect everything, and just turn it off. After that, it will reconnect everything, and that should solve your problem as well. And that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.